In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on draw.io. If you're using draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, and you want to switch the interface to a different language, the process is very quick and simple. This only changes the language of the editor itself. So menu labels, settings, and other interface elements will appear in the language you select. To get started, make sure you're already inside your diagrams editor. Once you're there, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the More Options icon. Go ahead and click that to open the drop-down menu. After the menu appears, hover over Settings. This will open another sub-menu. From there, hover over Language. Once you do that, a list of available language options will appear. Take a moment to look through the list, then click on the language you want to use. As soon as you select a language, draw.io will begin applying the change. You may see a loading message on the screen that says, "Working." That's completely normal. Just wait a moment for it to finish. The app is updating the interface, and once the loading is done, the language will already be changed. If the screen takes a few seconds, don't worry. That brief pause is part of the update process. It's best not to click around while the change is being applied. Once everything reloads, you should see the menus and interface text displayed in your newly selected language. This is a useful setting if you're more comfortable working in another language, or if you're helping someone customize their workspace for easier use. It's also good to know that you can return to the same menu at any time if you want to switch back or try a different language later. So to quickly recap, open the More Options menu in the top right corner, hover over Settings, then Language, choose the language you want, and wait for the working on message to finish. After that, the new language will be active. And that's all there is to it. Changing the language on draw.io is fast, straightforward, and only takes a few clicks.